Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach right behind us. As you can see,
Yeah. First of all, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year's. Yeah. So we had a great time here at Port St. Lucie. As you can see the palm trees behind us. We had an event here, and thanks to everyone at Port St. Lucie that did an amazing job.
They have a great team.
We had a great team, and we had it outside, which was really nice, and everyone had a lot of fun. So super excited about that. And good to be back here, seeing all our old friends.
In the sunshine.
In the sunshine. Nice warm weather, not in Michigan, freezing. Sorry, everyone in Michigan. But we just want to let everyone know we're back in Florida at Port St. Lucie. We got 09. You can see behind us. We'll give you some quick shots inside. 09 triple slide. Absolutely gorgeous coach.
Beautiful.
We really need to find a home. So if you're looking for a pre-owned coach, it's a great coach to have. And got some events coming up.
Yeah. So coming up in a couple weeks, we're going to have the Tampa Super Show.
Yep.
That runs for quite a few days.
Oh yeah, almost a week.
Yeah.
Not quite a week. Yep.
So that's a good one to get out to as well if you're in the area at the Tampa Fairgrounds, correct?
Tampa Fairgrounds, yes.
Yeah.
So, and then I think in February we'll have the Prevost Stuff show.
A show not to be missed.
Not to be missed. It is the big daddy of them all.
Yeah.
So make sure you take a look at it. And we'll give you some shots of this 09. Great interior, great colors inside, kind of a nautical feel to it. So it really feels like it fits here in Florida.
Yeah.
So
we'll go take a look.
We'll go take a look. Keep watching. Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Okay, here we are in our 09. This is a triple slide. As Randy said, it has 2 in the front, 1 slide in the back. And you may have seen this one earlier in the season. It's still available. It's beautiful. And we think you'll really enjoy it. It functions well as a coach, the way it's laid out. It's been a wonderful coach to have and to get to know for us as well. We'll just do a quick little look around here a moment. It does have a mid-bath. So you can see that there, along with the shower and sink on this side. And then, of course, the bed in the back. Now, if this coach catches your eye and you want some more information, you can reach out to Randy at randyv@marathoncoach.com or dawnv@marathoncoach.com, or send us a message through Facebook. That works too. We'll just take a little peek outside so you can see the paint job. Sorry for the shadowing. Should have filmed this earlier, probably. Let us know if there's anything else about this coach you'd like to see. We're here to help you. Have a great day and keep watching.